video them.
Are you ready to get more junk? Yeah. Okay.
More junk?
Yeah, we're getting more stuff to build the boat.
Is this a boat? Let me get over here so I can see what it is.
Go back. Okay. Let's pack it up.
What are you holding, Pearl?
My shepherd cookie.
Oh, and what's
Yeah.
around your neck?
My neck.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I give.
And Bubby's pulling you? What are you sitting on?
It's her chair. I'm a beachy chair.
Oh, of course. And your brother's pulling you.
Yeah. And that's just my dad can I get out? Alright, yeah.
Luther, is it hard to pull her? Not for you, of course. You're such a strong boy.
Hello.